No one's handing out fairness on a silver platter. Taxes are not just some boring number game. They're the battlefield where wealth fights for survival or suffocation. Every time you see headlines about inequality jumping off the charts, it's because somewhere the tax game got rigged. And it's frustrating as hell because you feel the weight of it. You bust your ass building something real, yet the rules seem stacked against you while others skate by paying crumbs. That pain is real. And it's not just about money disappearing. It's about opportunity vanishing right from under your feet. Here's the harsh truth. Taxes don't just take money. They shape who gets to build, who gets to own, and who's forced to stay stuck. The rich get leverage through loopholes, offshore havens, or the power to lobby governments into their favor. Meanwhile, founders and investors like you often end up fighting an uphill battle, paying taxes that kill momentum instead of fueling growth. It's maddening to see governments promise equality but reward mediocrity, to watch complex tax codes trap ambition and innovation under layers of red tape. But here's where it gets real. You can't just complain. You have to outsmart the system, not break it, but play it smarter. First, stop treating taxes like a static burden. Treat them like a dynamic part of your business strategy. Build your ventures and investment portfolios with the tax code in mind from day one. That means knowing exactly which jurisdictions push the hardest and which reward innovation. Set up structures that optimize cash flow, but don't drown in compliance nightmares. This is brutal work, yes, but if you don't dig in, you're voluntarily handing your hard-earned freedom away. Next, build alliances where your influence grows with others who get it. Big changes require collective muscle. Align with fellow founders, investors, and operators who push for smarter, competitive tax policies. Those that ignite progress, not choke it. This goes beyond politics. It's about movement, a network that leverages capital and influence to reshape frameworks quietly but powerfully, creating a new ecosystem that rewards merit and innovation properly. Also, be ruthless with your own expenses and incentives. Use every available tool, R&D credits, growth incentives, reinvestment strategies, even unconventional funding models. Stop accepting the traditional definitions of taxable income or allowable deductions. Push boundaries legally but aggressively. The system is designed for slow movers and complacent payers. Don't be either. Finally, never stop advocating for transparency. The biggest enemy isn't the tax itself. It's the shadow games behind closed doors that let some slip away while others carry the load. Transparency kills that advantage. Support or create platforms that expose where money is hiding and who's getting taxed what. This is where tech and capitalism can actually help fix capitalism, if you harness them right. This isn't about whining or hoping for salvation. It's about owning the fight every day. Taxes will shape how your wealth spreads or shrinks, but you decide how hard you push back, how smart you build, and who you align with. Get obsessed with these details because your entire legacy depends on it. And don't wait for a system that's built by others. Construct your own advantage by seeing the world as it is, not as it pretends to be. Every move counts. Every second wasted means someone else tightening the chokehold. This is your game. Play it hard. Play it smart. No one else will do it for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.